Hello friends. Now I am discussing how to solve GATE previous year's questions. So first, uh, GATE 2021 for ECE and EIE, how to solve previous year's questions, because focus here, because it's all about IIT professors. It's not the test series, some academies, but IIT professors, how they are framing the problems. So they have the full experience on each subject, and as per concern, the type of, say, for same subject, the problem asking on EI is different. The flavor of the ECE problems are different. So so you should have hands on multisim and MATLAB or LabVIEW or Desmos, visualization, or you should have engineering labs and some workshops or internships, hands-on, or at least observe real life electronic gadgets, so you will get motivated to solve problems. So check friends, let's let's first go with the instrumentation 2020 paper. Just there is a first 10 questions asked on aptitude questions, so like these prepositions, degrees of comparisons, verbal ability and numerical ability, like these bar graphs and passage questions. So whatever this preposition, degrees of comparison, phrasal verbs, coordinate geometry, so passive, so this like problems are being asked in so first 10 questions, that is 1 mark question. See friends, just now we have uh, in GATE they are 100 marks, so 65 questions will be there. Now pattern is changed. You have to go for the GATE 2021 syllabus. So who are choosing EIE and writing EC papers both, 65 questions among first 10 questions, that is the first 5 is 5 and 5 twos are 10, 15 marks. That is this 10 questions is general ability, numerical ability and verbal ability. Remaining questions on engineering maths, it's around some 13 marks, and remaining, actually this after 15, that 17 marks, 75 marks is core subjects. So each subject will have almost 10 marks, like that. So there I will ask MSQ, no negative marks and also no partial marks, and there is a MCQ as usual, and there is numerical aptitude. So focus on virtual calculator usage, that is most important. Also scribble pad. Now see, just like that. Next you have now let's just see some engineering maths. You have like this 12 marks, these questions: vector basics, matrix solution, matrix algorithm, so straight lines, backs. See friends, that is the exam day. At judgment day we can't tell which question should come, which question should not come. This is their choice actually. And next is analog electronics. You will get like this, some op amp. Mostly you will get op amp in instrumentation. So op amp application, piezo sensors, diodes, so G0 diode, like some 13 marks or like that. whatever they will give just control, like this is control is like so phase lead, this time domain, this actually is important second order equations like negative plot, root locus, like these problems. So almost you will get some 12 marks like that. Next, like networks, you will get like this. So for network you can get like this, some these three phase RVB or network you will get like this. So this network transducer on 1 mark, 2 marks, this or as EAC measurement 2 watt meter, this whatever. So next is a transducer topics, which is branch specific and optical instrument and combination. And next is signals and systems, the period of Fourier transform, digital. This is SOP, MUX, PFC, ADC, DAC concepts. So this is what we are discussing. So see friends, now this only we discussed there. Just each subject how many questions are asking, how are they asking the type of questions. So friends, these are the questions provided by. Next friends, instrumentation 2019. See friends, instrumentation instrumentation 2019, same like first 10 questions of these prepositions, past mensuration, some these numerical, and we have engineering maths is vector basics, matrix, scope, intercept, form complex, so matrix eigenvalues, and so this actually, this exam is actually, this is a talent test. So they will ask like randomly, you can choose like any time, anywhere like you want. So these are questions. So this 10 numerical aptitude questions. This is scoring subject. This is engineering maths, probability. So next, control systems, they will ask this like root locus and this controller, PID controllers, cascade code, these topics. Next, analog electronics, they will ask these concepts. So same op-amp, mostly they will discuss on op-amp and mix with measurement, transducers, SR flip-flop, whatever they will ask, mix and network theory. So network theory also they will ask like this, RC filters, bridges, errors, resistors, this like we will ask. Beautiful questions these are. So signals and systems, they will ask this by Weber field. So DSP, this digital, so communication optical, so DSBC, this side how they will ask that, they choose the convenience actually. when actually same like 2000 instrumentation, whatever the subject approach is same approach. This the strategy is same in 2018 or 17 or so. The brand specific is all about brand specific. How the ask is related to instrumentation. So the flavor of the instrumentation subject will be shown clearly. So do the project work. They will ask like the project work also. What the project work is deal. Now it's come to easy friends. Now see friends how easy paper is being. How they are asking be easy paper. So same friends, easy paper. So first 10 questions are basic asked, and after questions they will ask on engineering, maths, but the flavor is important for ECE. So for it is flavor is also very important. Then they will focus on the same random variables, probability. These concepts are important. For EDC they will ask more. EDC is a subject new electronic device, Fermi level being excitation direct energy band, solar, this concept. EMT theory is electric fields, magnetic fields. They will ask these electric fields, magnetic fields problems. And next is analog concept, same. Op-amp, BJT is all signals, and digital MPMC. So this same digital and network problems. And next is signals and system, LTI. Here networks Thevenin 2-port mesh, digital mux comparator, MPMC ADAS these problems. Unlock these transistor, op amp, diode, same. Next is control transfer function, steady state, and communication. Digital communication is antenna. So they will have more focus on communication subjects. So that is the difference actually. Actually this is a complete package like that. So these are the type of problems asked in EC. The flavor is different here. So even if you prepare for ESC, so as it is same, you can check for EC 2019 paper also. So here also same flavor, you get first 10 questions are same. Next like same approach. So friends, actually here you should focus on the project works, EC or EIE. The flavor of the EIE paper is different, the flavor of the EC paper is different, the flavor of EEE paper is different. Even the concept or the subject is same, the type of problems are being asked different. So you should adapt that and do the project work related, like it's a complete 4th year. Hands-on is very important on these subjects. So friends, like it's all about the project work. So engineering, what you are doing for 4 years. And one thing friends, stay relaxed because it's a competitive exam. So you should like the questions is like may comes, it's not like your IP or that like exams. So be positive and stay positive. So just problems, so every problem beside there is the concepts is there, focus on it. Or like there is a branch specific whatever, if EI is a transducers, like if EC is the digital communication, like. So my suggestion is like just feel like some project work. So there is a combination of the 2 3 concepts. So think like project work if you are EI or EC. So engineering project work like that you should think. So friends, these are the discussion of previous years papers. All the best.